Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. 30 or 40 years ago, the traditional English high street, the main street in smaller towns or cities, would have been a bustling, thriving place. There would probably have been an independent butcher's, an independent baker's, maybe a fishmonger's, an independent greengrocer's, maybe a bookshop, maybe a record shop, maybe a little independent cafe, and all of these places would have been family run. Over the last few decades, the traditional high street has faced a series of threats. First, there was the growth in out-of-town shopping, where big supermarkets would open up outside the town and people would drive there to do their shopping. Then there was the growth of online shopping and mega corporations like Amazon. Now, with the coronavirus crisis, there's a fear that this current situation is yet another nail in the coffin of the high street. Maybe the final nail in the coffin of the high street. Traditionally, the coffin is the box that you put a dead body into before you bury it, and the nails are the things that you hammer in to close the box. So if you talk about another nail in the coffin, or a final nail in the coffin of something, it means another one or a final one of a series of events that harm or damage something. So maybe job losses in a particular area are the final nail in the coffin for that area. They basically just kill that area dead. There's no hope, there's no work, there's no future there. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section, we'd love to hear examples of how you might use another or the final nail in the coffin of something.